Hello and welcome to another Advanced Power series. So today we're going to go through telematic data. This is going to be the first in a few episodes on the topic, so please stay tuned. So what is telematic data? Well, we can refer to this connectivity through mobile devices, smartwatches for example. These devices help inform the user to make decisions. In a similar way, our engines have onboard sensors and an onboard computer. This tracks the health and the physical activity of our engines in the field. This is really important because our applications serve multitude different sectors and industries and power bands, and so that literally compounds into thousands of different use cases for our engines. We use this data through the full product life cycle by understanding through the concept how to appropriately size the powertrain for that application, through the development of the hardware, understanding the right boundary conditions that are associated to them, and then into test, understanding how those applications really get used in the field, help us ensure the reliability and the durability of our products. And then when it comes into production, through connectivity of these engines in machines worldwide, we're able to inform the user of proactive maintenance requirements, that parts are required or a service is due, or even provide utilization of where those machines are being used. And then toward the end of the life cycle, we will then consider overhaul or perhaps a second use for the powertrain by understanding how that engine really has been used in the field. If you like the video, please subscribe and stay tuned for a future episode. Thank you.